everyone, I am Punyakirti BL. Welcome to my Python for Generative AI learning series. In this series, we are focusing on Python basics that will help us build a strong foundation for implementing generative AI concepts. So let's dive in and start today's session. Today's topic is formatted strings or F strings in Python. Let's start with introduction. In this video, we will learn very useful feature in Python called f-strings or formatted strings. F-strings helps you combine text, numbers and even calculations easily, making your code cleaner and easier to read. Whether you are printing messages, showing results or formatting outputs, f-strings are a must know for any Python developer. Let's dive in. So, what are f-strings? An f-string is a special kind of string that helps you to insert variables and expressions directly inside curly braces. Without f-strings, you might do something like this. Let's run this code and can understand before f-strings how it will be there. So here I have two example called model name is in GPT. It is a string type, version is equal to 4. It is an integer type. When we are trying to print that it in using print statement, we need to convert our integer variable version to string. Then we have to print like this. Okay, what is the problem here? Notice how we are to how we are to do that one. Convert the number to version to a string using a str function. Manually join all parts with plus. This can get messy very quickly because we have only two variables here. We can do that one. If I have multiple variables, how to handle that? So let's using f strings how to we can identify. With f strings, the same thing is much simpler. Model name is equal to GPT, version is equal to 4, but what we are doing, let's see with f strings. So what we are doing, simple, same code, same thing, we are printing hello from, and model name will be used in braces and the version is in braces. When I applied this one, see here, we didn't convert anything, we didn't attach anything, we didn't connect content, only just passing with the f string format, it is automatically printed. This is what f string. So start the string with f or f. So what we did here, here we will see f string we did. Here not, we started just with the double quotes, that's why we are looking like this. And use braces to insert variables directly. Python automatically converts numbers to strings. No str function is needed. This is what f string introduction. Let's start with f string can evaluate expressions as well. You are not limited to just variables. You can do calculations inside the curly braces. How we can do that? Let's understand with this example. So this is our example. I have a variable tokens used 123 and cost per token is equal to 0.0.01. So here I have used a f string in double quotes. Total cost for this message is, so inside the braces there is f string format. We are passing the expression like tokens used into cost per token. So it calculated the value and we got 0.0123 value. So this is how we can evaluate the expressions inside the f strings. Next, formatting numbers. You can format numbers easily. For example, to show your 4 decimal places, you can print like this. How to do that? So I am using the same example here. In the next code block, I am printing total cost for this message. This is the cost, tokens used into cost per token colon we have dot 4f. That means 4 here we are able to see 1 2 3, the 3 decimal places we are able to see here. Dot 4f if I give, so let's run and we can see 1 2 3 0 1 2 3 0. That means 4 decimal places we can see. This will also formatted using f strings. So 4f tells Python to display 4 digits after the decimal point. This is very handy when dealing with financial or scientific data. Let's wrap up. So far we have learned f strings make combining text and variables super easy. They can evaluate expressions inside curly braces. You can format numbers for consistent output. In the next video, we will learn how to debug f strings expressions and make them even more powerful. Let's quick recap. Use f with curly braces to create dynamic strings. Insert variables or expressions directly inside curly braces. Format numbers neatly with .xf for x decimal places. Cleaner, more readable and less error prone than concatenation. This is what f strings we learned today. Let's wrap up. So Thank you for watching today's session of the Python for Generative AI Learning series. If you found this helpful, please subscribe to my channel for more videos. Also, feel free to connect with me on LinkedIn. The link is in the description. See you in the next session. Thank you very much.